Hi beautiful people, it's glow time o'clock. Let's make a brightening glowing body oil, and we're going to be using no other ingredients than carrots. I'm going to be teaching you all how to make a brightening glowing body oil that is going to give you a luxury feeling, that's going to get rid of dark spots, even hyperpigmentation, and also brighten up your skin and give you a luxury look. You can see how it looks, right? Yes, you're going to be making this luxury body oil yourself. So if you're running out of budget and you don't know the body oil to get, don't worry, you're going to make a body oil yourself. You can also add it to your body lotion, and trust me, the additional benefit you're going to get is going to be so wowing. It's going to blow your mind. So trust me, this is one video you do not want to miss out. Please do not go anywhere. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end so that you do not miss out on any part, okay? Alright my loves, welcome again. It's your favorite girl Choma, Innocent Wabudi. So the first thing we want to do is to shred the carrots. Please, if you're watching and you've not yet like and subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please like and subscribe to be part of this amazing family. It's a way of saying thank you so much for putting out this amazing video for us. Trust me, this is not a regular carrots body glowing oil you're going to see on YouTube. It is actually different, and trust me, you will be glad you came in contact with this video, okay? So you're gonna shred the carrots. So this is how you shred the carrots, into pieces when you want to make your carrots glowing oil, okay? Carrot is infused with beta carotene, which helps to improve dull skin and gives a healthy glow. It also supports its skin renewal. It helps to improve the skin's texture. It contains antioxidants that help to fight free radical damage, and it also supports anti-aging. It also moisturizes the skin. It's also infused with vitamin A that supports skin healing. And this is just a quick one. Always use carrots in the oil form, not the raw juice, for your skin care. So I'm not going to be using all of them. I'm just going to use this one to make salad. Yep. So because I don't want to make so much, because this is a bottle, the dropper bottle that we're going to be using. Please do not infuse your carrots wet like this into your carrier oils. You want to make sure that you sun dry it or you air dry it for quite a minute until it is crispy dry. And it's dry. Do not use your carrot in wet form because it can irritate the skin and it can cause mold growth and bad smell, and it can shorten the life of your luxury carrot oil you want to make. So you want to make sure that it is dry and crispy, properly dry and crispy, before you start infusing your oil. So now our carrot is already dry and crispy. So then it's now time for us to now add our carrier oil into our carrot. This is a very, very simple carrot oil to make, but trust me, if you miss out the proper steps, you're going to make nonsense. So we're going to be using jojoba oil. It is good for this purpose because it is lightweight, it's non-greasy. It also helps to boost the skin natural's glow, and it's balanced moisture. And jojoba oil is good for all skin type. All skin type can use it. So we're going to be using a cup. That is my measurement cup of that jojoba oil. So I'm going to pour it into my carrot, and I just added a little. And the next carrier oil I'm going to be using is my coconut oil. Like, what can I do with a coconut oil? It deeply nourishes the skin, and it also deeply moisturizes the skin. It softens the skin and it gives a natural shine. Using this coconut oil will help to protect against dryness. So if you're battling with dryness, trust me, you're not gonna have it, okay? So if you can see, I didn't use a full cup, I used half cup. So the jojoba oil was more than the coconut oil. Because coconut oil deeply moisturizes and is highly moisturizing, I did not want the oil to be so greasy. That was why I added just half of that cup for my coconut oil, okay? So I'm going to simmer it in a low heat. Do not really double boil it, but simmer it in a low heat. Once it begins to look like this, then bring it down. At least it should not stay on fire for more than 25 minutes, okay? So, and make sure that it does not burn, all right? Our oil has given us the golden color that we need, so I'm just going to leave it for a little while for it to settle, like for it to get cold before I will pour it into my dropper bottle. Guys, I'm so excited. So it's time for me to turn it. I'm going to be using this other stainless bowl to pour it, so I'm not just going to pour it directly. I'm going to be using my cheese cloth to do it. Okay, I don't know if I should call this a cheesecloth, but yeah, let's just call it whatever we can call it for now. So I'm just going to turn it gently. So lovelies, our oil is ready. So you can see how it is. It looks clean. There is no crumbs of carrots inside. So lastly, I'm going to be adding my essential oil. I'm going to be adding lavender oil for additional benefits. Okay, lavender oil helps to soothing the skin, and oh my, mostly especially the fragrance. The fragrance is so overwhelming. Like right now, the whole room is giving me this cool feeling. So I'm just going to be adding a little drop. You can see our lavender oil, it looks yellow in that container, but it doesn't really have any color at all. After doing that, I'm going to stir my oil, and voila, our carrot oil is ready. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be using this syringe to suck in all my oil than using the stainless bowl to pour it directly to avoid a mess, and it does it so generously. So if you have a dropper bottle and you are unable to get a funnel that can size the mouth to pour your carrot oil, just get a syringe and poof poof, you're gonna just pour everything very easily inside your dropper bottle. One beautiful thing about this is that you can also infuse it into your body lotion. Yes, this oil we are making is only for the body. Don't use it for your face yet, okay? If you must use it for your face, you want to make sure that you carry out a patch test. So just imagine using these two together. Man, you are so going to love your skin. Yes, I'm a fan of Nivea. I use Nivea body lotion, okay? It's actually nice and it suits well for my skin. So you can see the instant glow and the instant pop. Wow, I just saved you guys a whole lot of money. Oh, you can see how luxury it looks. It looks so sweet. Should that be the word? Man, oh my. Please, after watching this video, come back to the comment section and say, Chama, thank you so much for putting out this amazing video for us, and tell me that you're going to be making yours. And after you make yours, please come back to this video and tag me, and also add the image of how your carrot oil looks like. Wow, can you just see the instant glow? And mine, the fragrance, the lavender. Oh, please do not add so much lavender into it. Just add like 3 drops of it, okay? So that it's not going to be so much. So our carrots luxury glowing body oil is ready. It is so ready. Can't you just love it already? Can't you just love it already? Oh wow. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be part of this amazing family. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. God bless you.